In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the Framer URL for both a specific page and your overall site's domain. The first part of our journey will focus on modifying a single page's URL. Start by finding your way to the Pages panel on the left-hand side of your project. This panel is essentially your roadmap. It showcases every page you've created under this project. Now, your mission is to locate the page whose URL you are itching to alter. Don't rush it. Take your time to find the page you need. Once located, take your cursor over to the page name. As your cursor hovers over the name, a small ellipsis icon looking like 3 horizontal dots will magically appear. Click on this ellipsis icon and it will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, find your way to the Settings option and select it. Now, you're in the heart of your page settings, and at the top, you'll find the URL field. Go ahead and flex your editing muscles here. Work your charm, type in your new URL, and guess what? As you edit the URL, the page name in the Pages panel updates too. All that's left to do now is to publish your project to breathe life into this change. The second part of the tutorial directs your attention to changing your site's custom domain. Kick off this process by first opening your project and navigating over to the Settings option. Now, in the left-hand menu, you'll spot an option labeled Domains. Click on this, and it will lead you to a whole new world of options. If your heart desires to switch from the default Framer URL to a new custom domain, you're at the right spot. Go ahead and formulate a link you believe best represents your domain. Remember, you may need to set up this brand new domain on your end as well with your domain provider. For those who are already boasting a custom domain and wish to tweak its settings, don't fret. This is the place for you. For instance, if your Framer site happens to be a subdirectory of a much larger domain, like a https://domain.com blah or blog, you can set up what's known as a canonical URL. Finally, hit the checkmark or save icon, depending on what your screen shows. Do not forget the final and crucial step. Publish your project. And voila! Your changes have been saved and are ready